Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nagbabihan of Mindaris, for the word of my family and friends, for the word of my teacher and listener. Today I will explain about fabric, interwoven threads that create magic, like Herman Granger. Fabric is a material made from woven threads, be it natural threads like cotton, silk or wool, or synthetic threads like polyester or nylon. Nylon. Fabric has been an integral part of human life since ancient times. Uniqueness of fabric. Each type of fabric has its own characteristic and uniqueness that make it special. Some of the unique things about fabrics include variety of textures. Fabrics can feel smooth like silk, rough like canvas, or even have unusual texture like ikat woven fabrics. Variety of motif. Fabrics can be drawn with a wide variety of motifs, ranging from simple to very complex. These motifs often have symbolic or cultural significance. Diverse functions. Fabrics have many functions, ranging from clothing, home furnishing, to industrial materials. Cultural people. Cultural value. Many fabrics have uh, high cultural value and are part of a nation's cultural heritage. For example, batik in Indonesia, kimono in Japan, or sari in India. I think that's all. Thank you for arigato gozaimasu. Uh, Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Arigato gozaimasu.